Hello viewers, my name is Vivek and I am a tech YouTuber. I welcome you to this Flutter tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to create or how to handle click events on list views. Let's look at what we are going to create in this video. We will create a list view with click event. So our list view contains three items. First, image, title and description. When we click on list view item, it will show one beautiful model pop-up. So this is the pop-up. When we click on any list item, it will show us a model pop-up. I will show you three ways to handle click events on list view. So let's jump into the coding section. So first of all, let's create a Flutter project. Right click anywhere with pressing Shift key and select Open Command Window here. I am on Windows, so I am using this method. Now type Flutter create. Here you have to specify your project's name. I am giving here list view click event. Then press enter. So our project is created now. Let's open it into VS Code. Here is our project. Let's open it into VS Code. Right click, open with code. Now our fresh project is ready. We will remove this all unwanted stuff. We will start it from scratch. First of all, we have to collect our images. So I already collected it. Yeah, I have created assets folder. In assets folder, we have images folder and we have these 7 beautiful images. So we will paste these all images to our project folder. I'm copying this copy here, and this is our project folder and I'm pasting here. Now our images are placed, so we have to specify it into pubs.yml file. So let's open pubs.yml file. Here we have to specify our image's name. For saving time, I'm just copy pasting it. So I already have prepared it. I'm just pasting here. So we have these 7 beautiful images, assets folder, images, and these images. Now our YML file is ready. Just Control S to save it, and it will collect this information. Flutter pub.get. When we made some change into pub space.yml file, it runs pub.get. Basically, it is collecting some packages. Now our YML file is ready. It is showing us an error. So first we will create one stateless class, stateless widget, which name is my app. Simply type STL, which is short form of stateless widget. STL means insert stateless widget, and just hit enter and give a name to my app. Okay, now the error is gone. So first we will create our material app. So I'm replacing container with material app, and I'm specifying banner is equal to false. Debug show check mode banner is equal to false. Now we will specify our main page. So here home, here I am specify list view home page. So now we will create a stateful widget. So STF, which is a short form of stateful widget, then hit enter, and here give a name of list view homepage. List view homepage. Now our stateful and stateless widgets are created. So here we will return scaffold. Here I already prepared 3 lists so we can save our time. First list for title, second list for description, and third list for images. So let's create it. First we will create our list here. First list I named it title list. So here I give 7 titles. Now we will specify our description. So here is our description, and then last we will specify our images name. So we have this 3 list. Now we will create app bar. So in scaffold specify app bar is equal to app, not is equal to bar, and here title text. Text will be like list view on click event. Here we specify style. Sorry, we will specify style in text. Style is equal to text style, not is equal to, my mistake. Color colors dot white, sorry, black. Okay, gray. Let's take gray. Control Alt F to format our text. So here we will give elevation to 0. We don't want shadows under our app bar, and background color is white. Let's check our program by running emulator. So to run emulator, press Ctrl Shift P, then here select Flutter launch emulator. Select your emulator and wait. So our emulator is launched. Now our emulator is ready to run our program. So simply come back to Visual Studio and press F5 to debug our program. F5, then you can see this bar here. It will run, it will start our program in debug mode. You can see debug console. It will take some time for first time. So guys, our app launched successfully. It is showing us our app bar title, list view, on click event. So if we change this elevation to 0 to 5, then you can see these changes. So you can see this background shadow. We don't want this. That's why we specify 0 here. Now we will start building our list view. So in the scaffold, we will specify body. Then here list view dot, we will use builder method to create build our list view. So item builder is null now. First we will create item count and give count of so here we will give a length of our any list because all lists are same size. So img list dot length. Then here we will create a builder. So bracket context index. Okay. So as I told you that we will use we can create a click event by three methods with the use of three methods. So first method is using just a detector. So here we will take just a detector, and here we will specify our we have to return our just a detector, return semicolon. Then here define on tap method, so we can handle click or tap event. So we are leaving this blank here. We will code it in future. So here specify child. We will take a card as a child. Card. Let me close this. Okay. So in card we will take one row. In row specify children's. Then here first what we are doing here, first we will we took one row, then we divide our row into two sections. First is a image and second is a column. So in column we will put our title and description. So here we will code for image. So container specify width and height. Width is equal to 100, then height will be 100. Then child, here image dot asset img list of index. So our image is ready. Now here we will take our column. So first let's give some padding object, padding const age and sex all 10.0. Now take a child column as a child. Then here give a cross alignment to start. Next provide children's. We will take children as text as a children. So text, and here text will come from our title list. So here title list of index. Then specify some style, text style. Here font size will 25. Then color, here we will take gray color, colors dot gray. Then font weight dot bold. Okay, done. So our title is ready. Now we will give some space here. So we will use size box and give some height. 10. Maybe 10 is okay. So now we will specify our description text. So we will take another container. Width is equal to width. So I'm not hard coding width here. So what we will do, we will take with the help of media query. So in widget here we will specify our width. So double width is equal to media query dot of, here specify context, then size dot width, and width may be 60%. Okay, now our width is 60% of the our 60% of our device. Now we will give child. Child is a text because we are giving description here. So DSC list of index, then give some style, text style, font size of 15, then colors dot gray 500. Here you can provide different variants. So our list view is ready. Let's run it. Our list view with images, title and description. We are getting output as we expected. So now the click event is not working. So let's code for click event. So here we declare our on tab. Let's print our title. Print. So here we will give a title list of index. Okay, now the code is reloading. Okay, it's reloaded. So CL. When I click on any title, now I'm scrolling, click on motivate. So you can see guys, we are getting motivation here, our title. As I click on hard work, I'm getting hard work, teamwork. So you can see our click event is working, right? So now we will create our model. So when we click on any of this card, one model pop-up will model will be pop up, and we will see our details on that model. So let's do it. So guys, here we are going to create one dialog. So I am deleting this code, and here I am creating one function named show dialog function func, and here we will pass context, then image list of index means name of image, then title of index, then our description. Okay, so now our function is ready. So let's create this function. Here we will create our function show dialog func, and here context, title, sorry, image, title and description. Okay, so we will return here dialog return. So to create dialog, we use show dialog method. This, then we pass our context here. Context. Then every show dialog method has a builder. So specify our builder here. Context. Then we will code here. So return center. Guys, you can see when I'm doing code, here you can say reload one. So we are in debug mode, so it is auto refreshing our UI. Now you can see the model effect is coming. So let's do further. So here we will use child as a material. I will tell you why we are using material here. Type is equal to material type dot fancy. Then again child. Now we will create our container. This is going to be our main model. So here give some decoration, box decoration, border radius dot circular, give 10. Then color will be white. So our decoration is done. Now we will code for pad, and we will give some padding here. Age, sex, all 15. Then width. Here also we will not hard code our width of context dot size dot width multiply 70%, so 0.7. Then we will give height of 320. Let's check how it looks. So we are on emulator. Let's click on hard work. So you can see guys, it's look like something this white border or white container. So let's put some values here. So let's give a child to this container. We will use column as our child. So define cross axis alignment to center. Then give children's. So we have three children's: image, title text, and description text. So first we will give a image. Here I am using clip rect. So we can give some border radius to our image. Border radius dot circular, give some 5 value. Then child, here we will give image dot assets, then pass image. Now let's give some height and width to our image. Width will be 200. Then give some height will be 200. So okay, let's check how it looks. So here is reloaded. Let's click on success. So guys, you can see now it's checking save. Our image is coming. Now let's put text and description here. So after clip rect, we will give some space here. Size box, height of 10. 10 is okay. Then give text here, title. Then give some style. Don't forget to give comma here. Text style, font size 25. Then color dot gray. Then font weight dot bold. Okay, then give some space again. I'm copying here, copy this line and pasting here. Then final text DESC then give some so style by text style font size of 15, then colors dot gray and 500. Then let's give some alignment dot center. Okay, so guys, there is some problem. Let's check how it looks. So when I click on motivation, so you can see it's working fine, but when I click on this, if our text are too big, then it will show us that container is overflow and some error will show here. So that's why we will wrap our text with container. So it is not necessary, let's leave it as it is. So it's working fine. You can see guys, our model pop-up is ready. Now I told you that we are going to learn 3 ways to handle click events on list view. So this was first method. We used where it is it's a adjuster detector. List view. Okay, here is a adjuster detector, right? So here we can use inkwell instead of just a detector. Inkwell has the same on tap method. So we replace our just a detector with inkwell, right? So then let's look it again. Success. It's showing us as it is, right? No more changes. So the second is inkwell, and inkwell can give us some ripple effect maybe when we click on. It's not visible here on emulator. Maybe it will look great on physical device. I'm not sure, guys. Check it yourself and tell me in comment section that it's giving ripple effect or not. So the last method is we can use here list tile, but I'm not going to use list tile here because our whole this thing will be changed. So list tile has also on tap method, so you can use it as per your requirement, but for now we will use just a detector. So I hope guys you understand these all things. You learn what you learn create how to create list view and how to handle click event on it. So if you are facing any kind of problem during this lecture, so please feel free to comment below. And if you have any other problem related to Flutter, then post it in a comment. I will surely make a solution for your problems. So guys, if you like this video, then share with your friends. uh, Please don't forget to like this video too. If you are new to this channel, then subscribe my channel for more videos like Flutter, Python and machine learning and all stuffs. Thanks for watching.